Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Car Help for You. So in today's video we're working on a Renault. This one is a 2013 plate Renault Captur, and what I'm going to show you how to do is how to remove the radio. So this one's radio is locked. If I just show you quickly there, you'll just see when it turns on. There we are. So as you can see, the radio is locked. It needs its authentication key. In order to get that, I need to get the code off the side of it, and then I can generate the code. If you need a code generating, drop it in the messages below or in the comments, and I will get back to you and generate it. I may need a bit more details, but I will get round to you and do it. Please don't expect it immediately. If you need it immediately, go on eBay and pay for the code. If you need me to do it, just give me a bit of time and I can do it. If it's a popular thing, I'll set it up somewhere where you can get directly in contact with me immediately and you can get your code straight away rather than waiting around, or I'll sort something out. But anyway, back onto this one and how to remove this. It is literally as simple as just getting a plastic pry tool or a thin head screwdriver underneath the trim here. Sorry about that. And you'll just pull it forward once it pops off. So I've already pulled ours forward a little bit. As you can see, I had to clip it out, and it is just held in by one wire there. What you can just do is, I'm just going to leave it hanging because all I need to do now is just go ahead and remove the screws. So the screws in question are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't believe there's any underneath. Am I wrong? I don't think I'm wrong. Where's the light gone? Looks like there's 2 screws there, but I don't think they're anything to do with us. I believe if we just take these ones off, we can get off. And when I'm looking at it more and more, we may just be able to get off with just these ones here. So definitely start with these 4 here and then work your way over to the other 2 if it doesn't come out. Again, don't use force, and the code should be on the side of it. It should be a capital letter followed by 3 numbers. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and get this removed, and then we'll see what the code is. Right guys, so we're back, and all I've done is I've just took the 4 screws off rather than the 6, and I believe it will just come out now. Now, it feels like it's taking a lot of pressure, but I think it's just because this one in particular hasn't ever been, removed. So we'll just, yeah, there we are. So we'll just do it either way from either side, and then we'll go ahead and pull the radio down. What is the code we need? Can we get the radio out anymore, or is this all that's going to come out? So, as you can see, this is our code here. I'm not too sure what code we need. I think it's this one here. Doesn't have any numbers in it, actually. I think it's 2811. I'm trying to see, is there any other 4-digit ones by themselves? Doesn't look like it to me. Is there anything on the sides? Just go down to the side. There's nothing on this side here. What's that sticker say there? It says something about Windows. What does this side say? No stickers on this side. And the back, nothing on the back. Nothing on this side here yet. So it's going to have to be, more than likely, it's going to have to be one of them codes from the top. So let me just quickly have a look at what is the programming saying for this code. We go OK, we go to radio security code. What I'm going to do is, it says there, the pre-code is printed on the side of the radio and consists of 1 capital letter and 3 numbers. By entering these numbers, you'll be presented with a unique unlock code, and it says it's printed on the side. I'm sure we've just checked the side and we didn't see anything on the side. There's nothing I'm missing, is there? No. And then if we come back to it here, 1, 2. Unless it is R141. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and check with someone who works with these cars more than I do, and see if they can give me a rough idea of where our radio code should be. Once I've found it, if it is in this sticker, I will put a circle or something around it so you know what type of code you're looking for, and then we can go from there. And then I'll just generate it. Right guys, so I'm back, and apparently it is just this one down here. So this car's one is R141. So what I am going to do is just enter that into the computer and see what the computer tells me. I've pressed it wrong, so I want to go to radio security code. Just bear with me. I'm not showing you this screen just because the screen does have a bit of private information on it. That's why I'm not showing you the computer at the minute. But what is the code we need to enter? So it needs to be R. Okay, it doesn't like me touching it now. Why is it not allowing it to be coded in? For some reason, this isn't even letting me put the right code in. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try and figure out how to put the code in. And once I've got the code generated, we'll come back and we'll enter it in together. Right guys, so I'm back. I've got a code. Hopefully this code's going to work now. Just on the top, what I will need of you guys is, if it zooms out, so that's your full sticker there, and it's this barcode here. I'll need this number along the bottom here as is, so please don't try to change it, just give me it as is. So the one I'm on about there is 28115, all the way across to the 141 at the end, and then I'll be able to generate a code. So we've got the radio back in there, and the code for this one I believe is 8848. Am I right? You're seeing it yourself there. It did unlock. If we just press, oh, the car's gone to sleep, so we'll just turn it back on again. That's come back on. Let's turn the radio on, and as you can see, I've got radio access. So this would only happen if you disconnected the battery or disconnected the radio, etc., if you've got a new one. But that's how to do it. I hope I've helped. Let's turn the radio down. I do apologise for all the waffling on that's took me, but I was literally learning with you as while I was recording it. If you do need the radio code, again, just shout me out, give me that code off the top, and I'll get it sorted for you guys. If you don't want to wait for me and you want to get it instantly, there's a link on eBay. I'll try and put the link in the description, which kind of covers all Reynolds, and it's only about £2, so you don't have to wait. You can just go pay £2. But then again, if you look after the pennies, the pounds look after themselves. And if you can get it for free from me, why not? But like I said, guys, I'm not always available because I do have other things on, and when I do have other things on, I can't just quickly come and get you a code. But guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.